back to Road to Hog Mountain. Today we are going to fight some more. So I've uploaded a bonus clip about this deck over here. It's actually pretty nice. Hog Lightning Zap Bait. And oh my god, those prediction log. That prediction log totally wrecked me. Well, I guess he didn't see this. Since this is spell bait. Hog Lightning's all spell bait. Heh heh heh. Yay! Prevented all necessary damage. I'm gonna prepare my Inferno Tower since I know that he has a hog probably too. No? I don't care. Just gonna put the hog here. And I'm guessing that he's gonna. Oh well. And then I really want to get some value off this Inferno Tower, so I'm just gonna throw in the lightning over here. Oh no, I missed the King Tower. Oops, a little bit too late. Number one, I am a little bit for that lightning, and I missed the King's Tower, so unvalue lightning, unvalue. I'm just doing this to cycle. No specific reason why I did this. No specific reason why I did that. And now I'm saving up for my Inferno. He has his hog. Because I've got mine. Yeah! That's some nice. And here we have his log. What we've been waiting for. All along. Here. There they go, but then he's gonna log our tower out, so we've gotta try to push for it. So I don't think he does, because I showed him it already, but apparently he doesn't care. So ignorant. No. Spawn that. And there goes his log. And that's GG. GG, no ring. So yeah, that was a close game. Close game, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna give people a hog. And then here goes a random goblin barrel at the start of the match, and then I'm just gonna place my electro over here because randomness. And I at least have dealt some minor damage to this tower. And I'm gonna lightning all these. Did I just miss the Valkyrie? Yeah, I missed the Valkyrie. And he's coming in for a counter. I'm gonna place my Skarmy over here. It's probably gonna die out because of the Valk, and then my whole tower's gone. You lightning, you should. So the lightning was like a little bit slow and stuff. And Matthew is calling over here. We're recording a video. I'm recording a video. Matthew, say hello. And apparently Matthew has a very weird sense of humor. By saying hello internet, he thinks that he's funny. course, it just has to land. Matthew currently is playing Clash Royale, so I have no other things to say about this. And I've seen my other video about Clash of Clans too, so you might want to check it out. At the new update and me starting over a new account, so yeah. Yeah, because Matthew is such a, well, can't say anything to that, but. I start off a new account, so yeah. Cut me some slack for my low arena. I mean low trophies. I'm gonna have to defend my risk. And then I'm just gonna chip off his tower or just defend. So this time I'm gonna have to pull off a real lightning. And he has zap. I know he has zap. I know he has zap. Don't. And I just cried and I think that he has his log ready. No! Okay, that was GG for me and yeah. So I don't know if you can actually hear Matthew because it's kind of like blur over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna fight one more match. So originally we were going to a camp, but then the camp was cancelled because it's raining. The opponent just missed my Electro Wizard with a lightning, and he gave a rocket, and he gave me an opportunity to lightning his tower, which took down even more health than he did with his rocket. Alright. Yeah, I'm a taunter. Not really a taunter, but you get the idea. I've got to deal with both sides. I don't have two Electro Wizards, so I can spawn zap one side and just like zap the other side with my spawn zap again. There. And then my tower's gonna take out that Valk, and he's for some reason using a rocket duck. So I'm gonna do this over here, and I'm gonna do this here, and I'm gonna fire my protection arrows. And of course he's not putting down his Skarmy, which f***ed me out. Oh, got down it. I don't have lightning in hand. He's gonna take out the tower. No! Well, I do have lightning in hand, but I just didn't have enough elixir, so yeah. And I destroyed his tower. Yeah, of course. After pre-record, I have to pre-record. All right. So yeah. So that's a value lightning. I I just kicked him. Really? Or what the hell? Yeah, I know. Tired. Yeah, and I won, of course, because of my impenetrable luck. So yeah, that's it for today. We have matches, and see you next time.